My name is Eunice.
My name is Danny.
And my name is Catherine.
We'll be making oatmeal raisin cookies.
This is a simple recipe for delicious cookies. This cookie does not have any nuts in it.
So if you have a nut allergy, you can eat this cookie.
You will need
1.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
You will also need 3 cups of oats and 1 cup of raisins.
You'll also need 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 2 eggs.
And you'll also need 2 sticks of butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, and 1.5 cup of quarter cup of regular sugar.
Once you have your ingredients, you should heat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
You'll have to set up your mixer with the paddle. Once you have done that, in the large bowl, you should beat the butters and the sugar on medium speed of an electric mixer. You should lock the mixer and mix till it's clean. You'll also need 2 eggs and a teaspoon of vanilla.
Then you take your cinnamon, your baking soda, your salt, and your flour and put it in the bowl. And then you start mixing.
Next, add your oats and raisins. After doing this, remember to lock your mixer before stirring. Once you're done with your batter, take some on 2 spoons and form it into a ball. Then, put it on the cookie tray. The important thing is that all the cookies are spaced out and they're all the same size as the first one.
Cooking by Maya, Danny, Eunice, and Catherine.
Oops. What did I say?
You said it.
I think that was Danny.
Yeah, you are.
Hi, Rita. Thea.
Remember, keep it 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And bake it till 8 to 10 minutes.
And that's how you make oatmeal raisin cookies.
Mmm.